Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Today's show is chock full of nuts. We're making candied pecans. A little sweet, a little salty, a lot crunchy, and super addictive. These things are so good, the squirrels will be looking for you. Well, hey there, little fella. So gather those nuts, it's time to bring it. So what you're gonna need are pecans, sugar, an egg, cinnamon, salt, vanilla extract, water, and cayenne pepper. Don't worry, it's optional. You'll also need a couple of mixing bowls, a baking sheet and silicone baking mat, a whisk, measuring cups and measuring spoons, and a silicone spatula. I consider this the quintessential Tiny Kitchen Big Taste recipe because candied pecans are something you might traditionally buy at the grocery store, but you can make them at home and save a ton of cash in the process. Growing up, my dad would make these all the time, but he would have to double the recipe because he knew my family would eat them like they were going out of style, so beware, they are addictive. But they make great party snacks. They're also super on salads like our pear gorgonzola and quinoa salad, or really any salad. They make a great substitute to croutons. Really simple to make. You just start by combining your dry ingredients, the sugar, the cinnamon, and the salt. We'll give our dry ingredients a stir until it's thoroughly mixed. Now, if you like a little bit of kick, you can add some cayenne pepper. If you like a lot of kick, add a little bit more than that. And then we'll mix that in. Next, I've broken one egg and strained out only the egg whites into this bowl. And we will add to that a little bit of water and a couple of drops of vanilla extract. And then we will whisk this up until it is nice and frothy. We're then gonna add our pecans to our frothy egg whites and give those a stir until they are coated. And then I will strain them into our dry ingredients here. Then we'll give this a stir until they are nice and coated. At this point, we will just place them onto our baking sheet. Now I'm using a silicone baking mat. If you don't have that, you can use parchment paper, but I highly encourage you to get one of them. They work fantastically well. We'll go ahead and spread these out, making a single layer on our baking sheet. Now I'm gonna pop this in a 225-degree oven for about an hour. I'm gonna check it every 15 minutes and stir it up with a silicone spatula until the 45-minute mark. At that point, start checking it every 5 minutes. Now, as you can see, the pecans here are almost all dried out. That's exactly what we're looking for. About 5 more minutes and we'll plate them up. So check this out. I've casually knocked over the jar, creating a beautiful cascading waterfall of candied pecans, because this is exactly what's going to happen when people start fighting over these things. But fear not, the recipe's available online. You can make more. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And when you try these, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Fucci, reminding you that if I can make candied pecans in a kitchen this tiny, you can make them in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Score! Cha-ching! Big taste. Oh, big taste. Big taste. Ah! Big taste. Check me out! Yeah!